Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1963 F100 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 351 Windsor, roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, new timing cover, brand new high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filters installed, oil pressure extension for easy hookups, painted the black with the brass freeze plugs, proper rear sump oil pan for the 63 F100 truck, oil stick and tubes installed. It's real nice red ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there. AFR aluminum heads, roller rocker arms fully adjusted. It's nice ball milled polished valve covers with the matching air cleaner with the washable filter. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Every engine at the engine factory is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. All the readings, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, carburetor adjusted, completely turnkey, ready to go. We have the proper brand new aluminum bell housing for the customer's TKX transmission he's running. Supplied all the transmission bolts. Clutch is aligned, throw-it bearing, clutch fork all set in place. High torque mini starter. PCV ventilation line, Russell heavy duty. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. Electric choke wire. It's real nice polished Raptor pulley kit. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. The self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, 160 amp, one wire hookup alternator right there, power steering pumps on there. It's just the way you get it. Again, completely fully tested, custom built for your application, ready to go right out of the box. So there you have it, 351 Windsor 400 horsepower package. Thanks for watching.